Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally doing unpackaging as well as Q&A session. A few days ago on my Instagram I made this option where you could ask me any questions you're interested in, and yeah, so I received lots of nice questions and I'm about to answer them. But before we start, let's make some coffee. So this is the coffee that I made, which is like basically iced latte, because the weather is really hot nowadays, and yeah, why not? Ah, it's so nice. It's so nice. Look at the cup. Look at my glass, please. So to start off, let's answer some questions. Before that, as you can't see that, but how did I do it? Here are the boxes. And here are the boxes that I received, the packages, which I'm very excited to open. Some of them I actually opened because I really needed them, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's see. First one is this one. It's basically edible flowers I ordered online for my smoothie bowls as well as my ice cubes and nice coffee. Yay. I already tried for the smoothie bowls, so I'll post the recipe very soon on my YouTube and Instagram. The next thing is that I ordered, some of them are the things that I actually ordered and some of them are from my sponsors, so yeah. This is what I bought as well. It's basically a tripod to film like close-ups and stuff. Here you go. I mean, it is nice. I tested it out. As you can see, I already opened it. It's not bad. I wanted the one that like could film from up, but this is not the one. But I guess it's okay. It was quite cheap, so whatever. Still nice. So the next thing is this one I ordered as well. I ordered Downy, which is a conditioner, clothes conditioner. I love this smell. It's like Botani's perfume collection, so good. So yay, I ordered 3. Then I'm not sure what's that because I honestly don't remember, but let's see. Oh wait, I know this one. This is one company, they wanted to send me cups, I think. Oops. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. So it's from Autumn Daze. This is their Instagram. I'll perhaps write it somewhere here. We'll open it. I'm terrible at opening, so. Aww, this is so cute. You sent me a glass. Oh, somebody to love. Oh, baby. So cute, right? Let's open this one. Oh, this is the package from I'm Not Plastic, which is like their Instagram is, I'll put it here. It's basically reusable straws. This is my last straw. And yay, I have a few. Wow, look at them. So gorgeous. Guys, look at this. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm in love. I am literally in love. Look, they're like chrome. Wow. Yay. So excited. I'm actually gonna take it with me to a cafe now. Okay. Last but not least, this package. This is crazy. Like, okay, before we open, this is from a company called Very Kind, and they're like, we want to send you something. I'm like, sure, go ahead. I thought it's gonna be berries, so I opened it before because I wanted to put it in my fridge so they wouldn't go bad for the video, right? So, and then I opened, it's legit a box of lots of lemons. The hell am I supposed to do with them? But hey, that's good, right? Hey. So, I opened my packages, and this is what basically I received this time. Okay, and now it's Q&A session. Before I start, I bought this Coca-Cola yesterday with coffee. It's like a new thing here in Korea, and I want to try it while filming the video, and let's see how it tastes like. I'm actually a bit scared because like it's like double the effect, I think, coffee and Coke. So let's see. I bought it yesterday, but I didn't want to drink it because I thought I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Okay. It's basically just coffee and Coke together. Nothing crazy. It's like as if you just added some coffee to Coke. Yay! I guess we tried. So the first question is, do you have any siblings? Yes, I do have 2 older sisters, and they're already married and have beautiful kids, which I freaking love them. What made you move to Korea? Well, I always loved Korea, and I was working really hard in Kazakhstan, so then I decided to give myself a break and to do something that I really want to. It was around when I turned 20, I think 2021. So I came to Korea, and I only planned to come here for half a year, but it's already my almost 3rd year, so I'm loving it here. Will you be in Seoul in July? Yes, I'll be here, so hit me up if you're here. I can show you around, we can meet up and have a good chat and good coffee. What are your plans for summer? In summer, I will be in Seoul probably because my school starts in June, my language courses. And yeah, I'll probably be in Seoul. Plus, I might travel somewhere with my friends, I'll see. So yeah, at first I was thinking on going back to Kazakhstan for summer, but to be honest, I'm going back tonight, which is end of May, and I guess I won't go in summer, I'll see. What places in Seoul, South Korea that you would like to recommend? Nowadays, I've been traveling a lot thanks to Wow Korea. It's basically like a tourism organization, and I really recommend you guys. I would definitely recommend you to go, obviously, Seoul. Then go to Busan. Busan is freaking amazing. I love it. Like, it's such a chill city with beautiful vibes. And then you could also go to Jeju. Jeju is very romantic and also a really fun place to go with your friends. I mean, I would say it's more like a romantic vibe, but then again, it's not bad to go with your friends as well. It's still weird. What the hell? Okay. The question is in Russian. I'll read it in Russian and then translate it to English. Вы часто выходите гулять одна в Сеуле по кафешкам? Да, я очень часто гуляю одна. Wait, let's talk in English. Basically, the question says, how often do you go by yourself to like different cafes around Seoul? Actually, most of the time I like to spend by myself. Like, I don't know, it's just like I would take my book or my laptop, do some work while enjoying nice cafes. Also, I really like meeting up my friends as well. But I'm definitely not scared to go by myself. Like, I even go to concerts sometimes by myself to enjoy it and stuff. Because some of my friends, they don't share my music taste, so if I want to go, then I just go. The next questions are, do you have a boyfriend? Right now I don't have a boyfriend, and yeah, but I mean, I don't mind one. In Russian, the question is in Russian. Как дела? Как вас дела? which means how are you? Thank you, I'm very good. I've been very busy these days. I'm trying to be productive, and yeah, a bit stressful because I'm dealing with my visa and my studying starts soon, but all in all, it's all good. Thank you for asking. J'adore tes pages Instagram, which means I guess I love your Instagram page. Merci beaucoup. Je t'aime. How old are you? I'm 23 years old, and yeah, I figured that, you know, when I was growing up, everyone would tell me after, like, before 23 it's the best time of your life, but after 23, like, your life gets boring. And I always believed that, so I was always trying to be like, oh my god, I gotta live my life by before 23 because it's gonna get so boring. That's what I've heard. Don't trust that. Honestly, like, every age is beautiful. I am 23 now, and I think that's the happiest I've been in my life right now. And I'm pretty sure at 24, 30, 40, I'll be even more happier because I'm growing as a person. I'm discovering so many new things, and I'm honestly enjoying my life right now. So guys, enjoy every age of your life, every stage of your life, because it's so beautiful. You will never get back to like your age right now. Like, I'm never gonna be 23 again, like, later on, but like, I'm trying my best to enjoy it, I guess. How did you end up doing HOMECAFE? I just started randomly, like 1 year ago, actually, in April. I remember I was back in Kazakhstan, I was really bored. So I was like, let me just, like, I really enjoyed watching how people make coffee, like at the cafes, watching YouTube. So I'm like, how about if I try it? So I actually remember the first time I made affogato, I think, in a really huge, like, glass, like round glass. And it was hilarious. Like, I made it for my sister and we both enjoyed it. I put so much ice cream though because I was trying to fill it up. But yeah, I still have this video on my Instagram, by the way. Go and watch it and comment if you liked it. But that's how I started, and then I just got really interested in making different types of drinks. I also really like going to new cafes, right? I mean, I think everyone already noticed that. And I also order new drinks all the time and see how it's made. Then I go home and try like to make a similar drink. Let's have some coffee. Coffee? Did you have any coffee, by the way? Comment what you had. I'm having iced latte. So original, right? Damn. If you moved to Korea, why? By the way, I really love your coffee videos. I moved to Korea because Kazakhstan is where I'm from, but Korea is where my heart is. So as easy as that. I am honestly, like, I'm just enjoying my life here so much. I don't want to go anywhere right now. Perhaps I might go back to Kazakhstan some point, like in the future, or some other country. But for now, I'm free to do whatever I want. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna stay in Korea. How is life in Korea like? How are the people? Life in Korea is very diverse. It's very interesting. Definitely quite stressful because there's so many people and everything. But what I also love about Korea is that people enjoy their life here. Like, they work super hard. They're freaking hard workers. Like, compared to Kazakh people, which are like, we're usually lazy, they're freaking hard workers. But they also don't forget to enjoy their life. Like, after work they go out with their friends, with their co-workers and stuff. So, and yeah, they really like living here, I guess. So life's in Korea very interesting, so many things happening, and like, I'm the person, like the active person. I'm always hyped about stuff. I go to different events, meet new people, always up for something new, and it makes my life super interesting. So yeah. Do you speak Korean? 네, 조금만 할 수 있어요. 지금 공부하고 있어요. Which I said, yes, I speak a bit. I'm still learning it. Any struggles when doing HOMECAFE? I wouldn't say. Okay, actually, there are some struggles. Like, for instance, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to what I really love, so which is baking, and now is home cafes, making coffee drinks and stuff. It's really hard because sometimes you make it and let's say it doesn't turn out how I want to. I don't like posting it. I would make sure that I make it until I'm happy and satisfied and not like afraid to post it, because like I'm just like that. I gotta enjoy what I do and I gotta make it beautiful, you know, so you guys would enjoy it as well. Also, perhaps what would be struggles? Sometimes when I'm filming, I don't know why, like right at the moment when I'm filming, someone comes, someone calls the door, someone texts me and everything. So I try to like put my phone on like airplane mode, or like tell my friends, please don't come because I'm filming a video, come in like half an hour. So they do that. But other than that, I wouldn't say there are not many struggles. There's just like, sometimes I want to make this drink and I don't have the ingredients, so I look it up, I order it online and see. But I wouldn't say it's struggles, it's just like part of the process, I guess. Do you want kids one day? Oh my god, yes, I love kids. Like, I'm obsessed with kids. I'm not even like kidding. Most of my friends, they would actually agree, like, don't leave me alone with the kids. I'm joking, sounds really bad. But I really love kids because I have lots of nephew and nieces, and they're my like favorite people, I think, because I miss them so much. I love spending time with them, and I'm kind of getting ready to have my own kids in the future. I'm not sure when it's gonna happen since I don't even have a boyfriend yet, but you never know. Like, so I really want kids. How about you? Do you speak Russian? Yes, I do speak Russian. I'm sorry if I don't speak Russian enough, or Kazakh. I do speak Kazakh and Russian, but just I prefer to speak English because most of you guys speak English, and I feel like I want you guys to perhaps practice with me some English and stuff. Like, I don't know, that's just my preference. But yeah, I do speak Russian. Всем привет, меня зовут Тана, я с Казахстана. Мне очень приятно с вами познакомиться. Спасибо, что смотрите это видео. Вот, надеюсь, что вам нравится, что я делаю. И да. Do you play game? What do you mean by game? If you mean like phone games, I don't really play games. I'm just not into them, I guess. I'm not sure if I should be mixing coffee and Coke with coffee, but let's see, I guess. Haha. It's okay, I have a flight tonight, so I don't have to sleep. The next question is, what does your username mean? My username, Ramen Bowl on Instagram, haha. It basically just means ramen bowl. It's actually so funny how I made it, because I am very not creative. I'm not creative at all with the usernames or just names in general or quotes. So I asked my sisters, like, what should I like my username be? We were talking, doing lots of like thinking, brainstorming, but then my sister's like, how about, you love ramen? I'm like, yeah, I do. She's like, how about ramen bowl? It's like Dragon Ball in a anime or cartoon, but you're gonna be ramen bowl. And I was like, what the hell is that? But then I thought about it, I'm like, why not? And plus, I really love ramen. Like, I always make ramen. I always make different types of ramen. Sorry, there's like hair stuck. Nowadays I don't do much, but before I used to do a lot, so I guess that just stuck to me and I just enjoy it. Ramen bowl. Guys, I'm so proud of myself because I don't forget to drink my coffee this time. Like, last time, I was so concentrating in answering all the questions and like interacting with you that I forgot to drink my coffee. And when I was done, I was like, oh my god. And you know when you're done and your coffee is already like, the ice is already melted, it's kind of nasty temperature. It was like that, so I was just like, oh well. Yeah, so basically I answered most of the I think all the questions, and thank you for answering. Thank you for asking all the questions, and I hope you enjoyed my little weird video with unpacking and answering the questions. So yeah, and stay tuned for lots of cool videos to come, and thank you for watching. I love you and have a nice day, loves. I love you.